Let's see how to generate an ebook with WriterGenie and sell it on Amazon KDP. Let's access the application. You can try it for free. First, we need to find a book idea. On this page, you will find keywords opportunities based on data coming from Amazon, Google Trends, and other sources. You can either click keywords or type your own. Let's type a few keywords and see what it gives. Here are the generated ideas. We have a few insights to help us pick one. This one seems to be a good choice. Let's now generate a book from it. We can adjust the settings or stick with the presets for this book idea. I will pick 15 chapters and set the writing style to dramatic and intense, which is generally a great setting for fictions. Let's generate the structure of the book. Here are 3 titles propositions. You can choose one of the 3 titles, or manually edit to set your own. I'll stick to the suggested title. Below, you have a summary of the whole story, the chapter titles and description. You can edit any of those if you wish, before to go further. Let's now generate the whole book. We will accelerate a bit as this step usually takes around 5 minutes or more, depending on the number of chapters you picked. Now our whole story is generated. We can read it from here, or edit anything by clicking Edit on each chapter. I will proceed to export preparation. Let's add an author name and biography. Let's keep the rest of the settings by default. We can also create simple covers from here. But as I already have it ready, let's go back to Interior Content Export. Let's download the ePub file as it's the best format for ebooks. The PDF file is recommended for paperback version, printed version of the book. Now let's go to Amazon KDP website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged into your KDP account, you'll be able to add an ebook from here. Click Create. Click Create eBook. You can change language if necessary. Add the title of the book. Let's grab the title from here and paste it here. Let's add our author name here. Then we need the book description. Let's grab it from here. You own the rights of the books you generate with WriterGenie, so select this parameter. Let's pick No for this one. We can stick to Amazon.com as primary marketplace. Now we can add keywords for the SEO of our book and its discoverability on Amazon. I will add these ones. Before heading to the next step, we have to pick categories for our book. You can explore it to pick the best matching categories. I will pick these ones. We entered all the necessary settings for this step. We can now click Save and Continue. From this page, we will import the content of our book. Let's import our ebook. Click Upload Manuscript. Select the ePub file we downloaded earlier. Let's add a cover to our ebook. As I already created one, I will upload it. Now let's state which AI we used to create our content. For text, I used WriterGenie. For images, I used OpenAI's image generation to generate the cover of my ebook. I didn't use any AI for translation. Once ready, we can preview our ebook. You can click Launch Previewer. This is what our ebook will look like for the reader. Great, I love it. Let's go back to publishing our ebook. There are no errors on our manuscript. We are now set and ready for the final step. Click Save and Continue. Let's click KDP Select Enrollment, as it will suggest our ebook on Kindle and offer it to readers for free while paying us for the number of pages they read. This is a great opportunity to increase revenue on launch. We can keep all territories here. Now we have to set pricing and distribution. Pick 70% to get 70% of the price as royalties. I will set the price to $3.99. If I sell an ebook at $3.99, I will get $2.76. I will leave the other prices as they were automatically calculated. The validation of your ebook can take up to 72 hours. Once you have published a couple of ebooks, it lowers to 4 to 6 hours. Now click Publish your Kindle ebook. Congratulations, we now have published an ebook. Our book will be available on both Amazon website and Kindle in a few hours. We could also publish the paperback, using the PDF file we exported earlier, but I will leave that for another time. We can find all of our published books on this page. If we go to Reports, we can see our sales. This was how to generate a complete ebooks from scratch with WriterGenie, and sell it on Amazon KDP. Explore all the possibilities this tool can offer. Try WriterGenie for free today, and start selling ebooks.